Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come this website www.gigabyte.com. This is officially website, so you can download the driver. And after that you can see this is search button. So just click on that and then enter your model number of motherboard B760M D3HP and then hit enter. Then after that click on the product. Then see this is your motherboard B70M D3HP. Then click on title, name of the title. After that click on support. Then select your operating system, which is you require Windows 10 and 11. There are two motherboards, so you can installations process same. Select any, which is you using. So audio driver, and this is audio driver. You can see this is size, and just click to download. After few seconds, it will start downloading. It's totally depend about your internet. If your internet is good, high bandwidth, so you can download very fast. Otherwise you have to wait some time to when it is done. When it is done, just single click to open single click to open. So you can, this is driver is extracted, so you can extract. Otherwise you can directly just double click to launch. Then click on yes. Now this is extracting. Now this is installing. It will take some time. It will close automatically, means this is installed. So guys, it is closed after installed. Close automatically, means this is installed. Then close it. Chipset extract. So first install this one, Intel serial driver, and click to download. It will start downloading. Wait few seconds, it will complete. Just open here and then double click to launch. Then yes. Now this is installing. Wait few seconds, and this is automatically closed, means this is installed. Then close it. Then install Intel IMF installer and then click to download and just open it. After that double click to launch, then click on yes. Now this is extracting. Now this is installing. And always try to install latest. You can see now this is 7,700. This is latest. So it is closed automatically, means this is installed. After that, close it. LAN driver, extract, and see this is LAN driver, and click to download. After that, start downloading. So this one, then it is done. After that, just single click, and you can see this is exe. So in this your motherboard driver, just double click to launch. And then click on yes. Now this is extracting. Yeah, I install Realtek LAN driver of Gigabyte motherboard, and this you can see this version also there. Then guys, it is closed, means it is installed. Then you can see this is VGA driver, Intel graphic driver, and this is size. You can just click to download. It will start downloading, and it is completed. You can see 770. Okay, this is size. Just open and double click to exe. Then click to yes. Now this is extracting. Now this is installing. So it is come and then close it.